Turn. Wag wag. Okay guys, I have completed an elaborate plan that will not fail to tell my brother. You guys can see what it is? Yes. Greatest, the best, the most fantastic plan of all. I present to you the no more freak-out plan. Let's get into it. Okay, so stay on the edge will distract him by the time. Then, Moon, Ryan, and Hyde will blow up everything and make it look very smoky. Then I'll pop out and finish him. Wait, but I have a question. We're just mere people. But not people, but like monsters. He's way bigger than us. Well, we need weapons to pull this off. Silly, of course we'll have weapons. The tail thing is for danger. The sword is for scare. The spear is for hide. And the big gun is for scream. I like the spear crossing my path.